wander out in the forest in Norfolk and check out the wild horses just grazing in the forest. Look. Ponies. A couple more over there. Oh yeah, it's windy. Woo. Wow, look at them. There's people, isn't there? At least you can't go over how windy it is. They're really tame, aren't they? Hello, horsey.
Can you get a photo of me and the horse now? Get one of me and the horse.
Help.
It's a good one.
Close you can get to it as well, isn't it? Hello, horsey. How lush is it out here, man? It's beautiful, isn't it?
On a nice day as well. Like, just come out and just sit down and see the horse.
Hello, boy.
Beautiful, bro. Look at him eating nothing with like dirt and shit. What a cool guy. Get another one of me.
He's going to kick you in a minute. What's that?
Get another one of me.